a fort which is now very close to my house in Pune, there was a Rajput lady called Kamal Kumari who was entrapped by the man who was the uh, officer of that fort, who was a Muslim. And he was telling this Kamal Kumari that you must marry me, and she would not accept. They had brought her from somewhere, sort of by force. And she would not accept. She was Rajput. And he said, by tomorrow, you'll have to marry me. This lady didn't know what to do, so with someone, very secretly she sent a letter to Shivaji with a Rakhi. But it reached the mother of Shivaji. Mother sent a letter, sent a message to Shivaji on a horse that come here as fast as possible. If you are eating your food, then come here to wash your hands, to that extent. And Shivaji was so obedient to his mother, very obedient. One has to learn from his character. He rushed there because obedience was his power. He rushed there and asked mother, what is it? So she said, no, I want to play chess with you. He said, why now? I must play chess. Couldn't understand. And she played chess and she won something. She could have told him, but she just wanted to sort of put a Vishnu Maya on him. He lost. Mother, what do you want? He said, today I want you by night to capture this fort. Today? Yes. Then she showed him the letter and the Rakhi. Rakhi was so powerful that a mother had to ask her son, who was responsible for the deliverance of Maharashtra from the clutches of the Muslims, that he should go to this fort and capture it. Such a powerful message out of that string. So, all right, came out. He was quite upset how to do it. Suddenly there was one gentleman called Tanaji had come to invite him for his son's wedding with his uncle. And he saw him so upset. He said, why are you so upset, sir? He said, my mother has asked me such and such thing. He said, all right, I'm going. You don't have to go, because we'll have many Tanajis like me, but we have only one Shivaji. I'm going to do it. He said, but your son is going to marry. He said, first let my sword marry this fort, then I will marry my son. Such people we had also. Such sacrifice. Only on that Rakhi. Think of that, only one Rakhi. All right. They didn't know this girl, they didn't know her father, they didn't know anything about her, they had never seen her. Can you think of somebody who will do like this in modern times? We are supposed to be very evolved, powerful, great people. Even in the pictures we need not show it. Nobody will come to see such a film because they'll feel so low. And he went there and he used a kind of a big lizard which went and fixed the nails. With a rope he climbed up and they conquered and won that fort. It was decided that if they are successful, they should lit fire which Shivaji can see and come down. He saw the fire early in the morning, so went there. And under a tree the dead body of this Tanaji was lying. He looked at it and he said, we have got the fort, but we have lost a lion. That's why it's called as the fort of the lion, Sinhagad, which you can see from my house very clearly. But these are the monuments of a small thing called a Rakhi. A small symbol of expression that can capture force after force.